Hi, this is Edith Mary from Fine Art and Foolery. I've got some stuff left over that hasn't gone for Christmas, so I'm going to bribe you with free shipping if you'll order by Valentine's Day. And everybody deserves original art. This is a wonderful little mosaic piece, great by the front door. It's about 12 inches tall. And this piece it's phenomenal. I can't begin to describe how beautiful it is. The pictures do not do it justice. It is a mixed media mosaic, and as you can see, it stands 18 inches tall, fits little parson's table. It is awesome. I actually used this for quite some time before finally deciding to put it up for sale. This little piece is currently hanging in my bathroom because no one's wanted it as of yet. It's about 6 inches, perfect for any spot that just needs a little something. And this would be great. This mosaic piece would be great in a guest bedroom or in a hall closet. Well, maybe not the closet. Sorry. This is an acrylic on canvas paper. As is this one, an acrylic on canvas paper. That one was a fun one to do. And this is God Dreams in blue and red, and it actually is a collage. It's largely acrylic, but there's some paper in there, which makes it a mixed media piece. And this is truly a mixed media piece. I think I used a little bit of everything I had in the studio to create this one. It's really, really gorgeous. Again, the pictures can't do it justice. And this is a small little watercolor I did. It's pretty much true to size, about 10 inches long. And this was my venture into spray painting. I didn't do too bad, but I don't practice it enough to really be good at it. And this is certainly truly a mixed media piece as well. This was a really, really fun piece to do. I call it Carnival. This one is a little strange. I was just trying to clean off a brush from the excess paint, but it sort of looked like what's going on inside my head, so I decided to call it Neural Net. And by prints, I mean paintings that are no longer available, but I still have photographs of them, or they're completely computer generated. This case, Take Flight, was an area of a painting that I did as a commission piece. This was a paper collage that got scanned into the computer and manipulated in Photoshop. And this is a photo collage of a friend's trip to Mexico. I had a good time doing that, cutting out the pieces in the computer. And this one also falls into the strange category. But then again, my fans have come to expect strange from me. This is a watercolor that I did that is now simply just a print. But that's okay, he lives in my computer and he's quite happy. This piece is called Fire Goddess, and she was a faux stained glass painting that hung in my bathroom for a long while and broke in the move, but is available as a print. And this little guy is a photograph that was photoshopped and would be perfect in a nursery. Again, we just have strange. Strange is good. Preferable, in fact. And I got bored in church one day and drew a flower and then scanned it into the computer and little Photoshop work here or there, and you get this incredible print. This was totally computer generated. It was the first I had ever done that was completely computer generated. It turned out fairly well. I don't normally put this much detail into my drawings, but I took my photograph and I ran it through a program, and there you go. That's my kitchen, where I actually cook up my secret recipes. This was a bad photograph that I just simply photoshopped a little bit, and now it's a great print. And this one would also go into a nursery or a kid's room. It's a print of a faux stained glass that I had for years. And this piece took second place in the computer generated art category several years ago. And that's actually fairly large once it gets framed and whatnot. So thank you for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel if you don't mind, and then hop on over to those Facebook links I put in there for you, and see also some other stuff, my drawings and whatnot. I will be creating 2 others on my drawings and my photographs. So keep watching for those. Give me your feedback in the comments section below, and like me on Facebook as well. I would appreciate it very much. Thank you. Until next time, peace, love, and pumpkin pie. Yum.